Mint sets, proof sets, oh my. And yes, I do like saying that. It's just something that I've been doing for 35 years on TV. But tonight's opportunity is one that is truly an oh my. These are vintage silver proof sets, the really good stuff. And our prices? Well, tonight we have two options available for you. We have the full pay. You get all 5 of these in one single payment at under $40 a set, by the way, $199.75. And they approved Easy Pay, which they have not done on these silver proof sets for over 2 years. But they approved it, 1 set a month for 5 months. That way you can attain some of the stuff that might not be the easiest to right now. So tonight we have 2 ways of doing it. Don't miss out. Join us with one of them. Because when you look at today's silver proof set, 2022, sold for over $100 by itself. All right? 2021, sold for over $100 by itself. And these are from over a half a century ago. The last one's issued by Philadelphia, and we're under $40 a set with 390% silvers. That's the oh my.
The last of the silver proof sets, 1964 and back. In 1968, they transitioned from Philadelphia to San Francisco, and they were copper clad going forward. They did not make the silvers anymore in this sense. They didn't bring silver back to 1992, and those were also at the San Francisco Mint. So these are the last 5 silvers from the Philadelphia Mint. 3 coins in there are the silver, the Kennedy, the dime, and the quarter. Now, if you look at the components of each one of these sets, the quarters are alone. If you take the quarter out of each one of these sets and add up what you would pay for those quarters, you're looking at just shy of $200. And the half dollars, that's not even the biggest coin in the set. The half dollars are the biggest coin. The Franklins from 60 through 63, and then of course the 1964 Kennedys and the 64 proof set. Add those up, they range anywhere from $68.50 through up to $84.95, which is $375. So the quarters are at $197, the half dollars at $375, and that's just the 2 coins in the set. $199.75 gets you all of the sets, including the other components, the cent, the nickel, and the dime.
90% silvers, right? Look at you can tell a set that's been stored properly. 1, by the way the envelope looks. 2, by how the Lincoln cent is cherry red and the nickel is bluish in color. It means that the little air bubble these coins are sitting in over time hasn't been punctured or moved around. Red is what an uncirculated beauty is supposed to look like. Again, every single one of these sets, hand selected. We kick out a lot of sets. That's how we put together our collections. If the set's bad, well, doesn't mean the coins are all bad. Sometimes we're able to salvage the coins, encapsulate them, put them in bins. Sometimes, like the cent has a bad porosity spots, or the silver just looks horrible. Somebody just didn't store it properly. It's just one of those things that happens, and then the set's destroyed. Or the envelopes. I mean, this is a paper envelope. They sent this to you with your mailing label on it. The ones you see today that are this gorgeous were the bulk buys, where people had bought 5 or 10, they sent them in long strip boxes. And that's where you find this type of packaging. It's just a special opportunity on some very special coinage.
And tonight you could get them all, $39.95 each, even set by set. Our competition, they're at $79.95, $78.50 each for the other 4. And that's a total price of almost $400. Tonight you get them for $199.75. And let's just talk about that Easy Pay program. That's the other option. You could join us over 5 shipments, 5 easy payments, 5 shipments of $39.95. You could collect the same and accumulate the same 5 sets over a period of 5 months. It is a no obligation program, no additional fees. You could cancel at any time, no clubs, no etc. We leave it up to you. That bottom number, 905-10447, will get you shipment number 1 that will get you on the program. So if you're ordering online at avccoins.com, that second number, 905-10447, gets you in the auto ship Easy Pay program, and 905-1246, you get them all at once at the same price, just $39.95 each.
Again, today's silver proof sets are over $100 a throw. These are vintage Philadelphias. San Francisco's been making our proof sets since '68. A wonderful thing. For the 25th anniversary of San Francisco in '92, they introduced silver again, 90% silver. All the proof sets today are San Francisco struck. When proof sets were made available to the American public in 1950, think about that. That's how recent it was. They've been making coins for hundreds of years. But if you weren't a senator or a congressman or you didn't visit from a foreign country, you didn't have access to our own proof coins. Well, in 1950, they opened up the door to the American public owning the best of the best. Proof is a method of manufacture. It's taking the dies and polishing them. It's taking this piece of metal, in this case, 3 of them are silver, polishing them. Then you're beating the crap out of it twice to get the imagery where it's a mirrored background. Then with kit gloves, you put it in packaging, you air seal it, put it in an envelope and seal it. Think of that process. And today, how many years later, over half a century later, they look this gorgeous still. That's the power of collecting. That's the coin hunt itself. But this one, it's all about value, value, value. And we don't get enough of it in this industry. Because again, just so few of this good stuff exists.
I love that they're in the original government packaging, included with that Philadelphia seal, sealed inside that poly pack. 5 easy payments, $39.95 each, or they're $39.95 each if you grab the entire collection. That is 1960 through 64. Again, the Franklin halves, that series ended in 1963. So the 60, 61, 62, and 63 proof set has that Franklin half dollar in it. Kennedy started in 1964, first year of issue, the last of the Philadelphia proofs. That 64 proof set has that Kennedy proof in there. All Philadelphia mint. Silver's on the 3.
I forgot. I didn't bring that up. The Kennedy, the first and only 90% silver. The last
That was in
Philadelphia
here.
proof set is in
Bottom
this
right,
grouping
right there.
So again, $199.75. Our competition has the same exact sets. The same exact sets for just under $400, $393. We are almost $200 less. Theirs are in a repack, the Capital Plastics holder. Ours are in the original government packaging, which is usually a big premium. Tonight, just the way we do business. Guys, we got to put a 30-second clock up.
A lot of signups on the program. That's wonderful because you're going to collect over time. Once you sign up on the program, we, like Steve always references, we have a process. We take a bin, and that is your collection. And we just pull the date out, and you get the shipment per month. So lock in your Easy Pay program today and be guaranteed that price, $39.95. It will not go up.
Somebody made a comment there that says, well, you're in a 40,000 square foot facility. It's a large facility. And the comment is, how much is this occupying the Easy Pays the way you do your business? And I said, 5,000 to 7,000 square feet of just coins and bins by program.
Very intricate program we
so that
have
way
here.
when it goes through the system and that month, make it up this week where you're going to put this out, boom, they go grab that run, push it through the front, ship the stuff. It's a great deal. And it's an even better price tonight. That's the one thing that we can't reiterate enough. Not $400, we're at $199.75 in the real McCoy. 5 times $39.95 is the same. Time to be moving on.